Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Shafante here, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, we are going to be doing viral TikTok hacks because I wanted to do something different on my channel, and they look really fun to do. So hopefully they're not as hard as they were looking. And yeah, y'all, let's get into this video. So the first hack, you ready for the first hack? We are going to be doing the egg sandwich hack. I'm hungry. I didn't eat breakfast this morning, so I'm excited about this. So let me get a plate so we can, have our stuff ready. You know what I'm saying? We can have our stuff ready. For this recipe, you're going to need butter. I don't eat regular butter, so I'm just gonna have this one, vegan butter, 2 eggs, but I'm gonna do 3, I think. So 2 eggs plus 1 bread. Don't forget, to season. Yes. So I'm going to scramble my eggs right now. So 1 egg. But I'm pretty sure y'all know how to scramble eggs, so I don't think I need to show y'all me scrambling them. But just in case you did want to see. Let's grab on. So it's 11 o'clock, y'all. It's almost 11:30, and I hadn't ate because I was waiting to do this video. So this sandwich better be excellent. The pan I'm going to be using is this one. It's like a griddle pan. I'm going to be using this one because I think it's going to be big enough to flip the bread and the egg. So let me bring y'all over here. Okay, so what you want to do is make sure that you turn the stove on. I usually cook mine on medium, but I don't know if there's a certain way you're supposed to put this bread, actually. And we may be doing this wrong. All in general, may be wrong. So the first thing that I did wrong is my sandwich is gonna be upside down. Okay, that's number 1. This thing gonna be upside down because what? Y'all, what the heck? This ain't right. Mine is not coming out the way it's supposed to. This didn't work. This ain't even. Wow. No, this is a total fail. This is a fail. Absolutely. That is a fail. Probably on my end. Definitely on my end. Definitely on my end. Yeah. Am I gonna eat it though? That is the question. So this looks disgusting. Where I messed up, I think, was I flipped it wrong, and I probably should have put it in a pan like everybody else did, because this didn't work out. And I guess I can show y'all closer what it's looking like. That's supposed to be inside, not outside. So, yeah. Okay, y'all. So are you ready for the seconds? The seconds hack. We are going to be doing, let me step back so you can see, the Oreo cookie hack. Now this is supposed to turn into like a mug cake. So what you're gonna need is Oreo cookies, a mug. This mug is so cute, y'all. And then some milk. I drink almond milk, so that's what we'll be drinking today. I'm gonna show y'all. Okay. So I'm gonna put about 5 Oreos in there. And then I'm gonna, do I do it with the milk first? Or do I just crunch them? I don't know. I'm gonna crunch them up. It's good if I can get them, but it's small if I can get them. People are saying a splash of milk, but I'm not really sure, so I'm gonna do what I see fit. As far as milk. Oh, I'll put milk in there. Ooh, almost got it, y'all. So you're supposed to mix it until it's like a, you know, a batter consistency. I might have put too much milk, so I might just add another cookie or 2. I hope this one turns out good. And actually the sandwich is good, y'all. It just don't look right. I think this should be good. I'm trying to get it to focus. Okay, so we're gonna put it in the microwave for a minute. So, look at my sandwich, y'all. Crazy. Okay. Look, you fire. Minute. While we wait, I was gonna make 2 of them. I want to try, if the Oreo cookie one is good, I want to try the Chips Ahoy one too, because I prefer Chips Ahoy over Oreos anyway. But we'll see. Hopefully my microwave is high powered enough. It's ready. So, let it focus. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's not jiggly. It's not none. It's literally trying to find my face. Y'all. Girl. Y'all wanna try to make the chocolate chip one? So, this one, we're gonna try to make this one. So I have another mug. Another cute little mug. It's so cute. So we'll try and make these. These are bigger than the Oreos, so I think maybe like 4 is good. A little bit more wet. I don't know if you guys can see that. Probably not because my face. But we're gonna let that sit for a little second. Probably wanna try this?
What?
This.
Yeah. What's that?
Huh?
What's that? That's cookie? That's cookie.
Hmm.
Chocolate? What's like that?
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
It tastes good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do it taste like cake?
Oh, yes.
That is the consistency of that one. And let's taste it to see if it tastes better than the Oreo one, which I don't think that it will. Get out your mouth, mama. It is not, it's not as good as the Oreo one. The next hack is going to be the Dalgona coffee. Now y'all know I love me some coffee, so I drink instant coffee from time to time, but I ended up going to Target and getting this brand of regular coffee, and then I also got this for decaf because I'm pregnant and I really need to be drinking strong coffee. And all the videos that I saw, they were basically saying that the coffee was pretty strong. So I'm gonna do half and half because I believe, y'all, I'm not sure if it's 2 teaspoons or 2 tablespoons. So I need to look that up real quick. And then we're gonna get into this. I really want y'all to see. Since I don't have a whisk, we are going to be using a blender. A blender. I'm gonna try to make sure I get everything inside of there. Hopefully this works. Okay, so I think that it may be finished now, hopefully. Otherwise, oh, it's not. Oh my goodness. And actually whisk it, because it's not even close, y'all. Don't try that. the next thing that we're gonna do, because I'm tired of mixing, I'm not mixing no more. First of all, invest in the mixer. That's what I'm gonna tell you. Invest in the mixer. Loki, I feel like I should pour in this little one. Just for aesthetics. Because it ain't that much coffee in here. Okay, we're gonna switch it. Okay. Y'all don't try this at home, okay? I probably was really close to getting it as thick as it looked in the TikToks. So, girl ain't had no patience. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna mix it together. It tastes pretty good, guys. I can taste the coffee, but not too much because, you know, I mixed it half and half. It almost tastes like sorry. It almost tastes like some caramel candy. It's good though. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already subscribed, and leave me a comment down below which TikTok hacks you want to see me do next, because I think I'm gonna get into this, you know. Yeah. Anywho, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.